Hi friends, welcome to my channel UV Craft. Today we are going to make flower with tissue paper, so let's get started. Material required: tissue paper and wire. First you have to place tissue paper one by one. Then make paper zigzag like this. After this, take wire and bend it like this. This step is very important. You have to put up tissue paper layer by layer. Now, band all four wire together. Now, band. Now, band all four wire together. Now, thanks for watching my video. Please comment what next and don't forget to subscribe my channel.